If you have a house in Cortland, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Cortland, Ohio. And in this video, very briefly, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Cortland prefer to work with us rather than working with a traditional buyer that might need to qualify for a loan or have a real estate agent and need to qualify for some kind of mortgage or something like that. So with us, we keep it easy because we're going to buy it in its as-is condition. We're not relying on any mortgages. We're not relying on any inspections. We're going to buy the house in its as-is condition, true as-is. There's no work too big or too small. I don't care if it's completely boarded up or if it just needs a couple nicks on the walls. That's how my house is. I got 2 3-year-olds running around, twins, and they mark up the walls and everything like that. It doesn't matter how much work or how little work the house needs. We're an as-is buyer. That means you don't got to fix anything, no trips to the Home Depot, you don't got to clean anything, so you don't got to get the Windex out or the broom and the dustpan, and you don't got to haul anything away. So anything that you want out of the house, you can take. Anything you don't want, just leave behind. We'll take care of it for you. And what allows us to be a true as-is buyer is we pay cash. So we're not relying on a mortgage or a bank. With a mortgage or a bank, a traditional buyer, well, they're going to send through their formal inspector, they're going to scrutinize the house and test every outlet and light switch and ceiling fan and open and close the doors, compile pages and pages and pages of stuff on this inspection report, and this is only going to be used against you. They're only going to use this to try to get an extension from you because they can't close and they got to get some favors from you. Now you got to go back to the house, you got to get it rekeyed, or you got to, get a discount, or they can only close if you do this. All of that is avoidable, all of it, if you just sell to a direct buyer like we have with hundreds and hundreds of other people. Also, with a traditional buyer, they're going to send an appraiser through, and the appraiser is typically worse than the inspector because the appraiser works for the bank, and the bank only has their best interests in mind. You know that. So they're going to find anything that they can or any reason they can to pull the rug out from under this thing, leave you high and dry, send you back to square one, and that's a giant waste of your time. And time is money in real estate because every day that goes by that you didn't sell your house in Cortland, well, guess what? You're still paying the utilities, you're still paying the insurance, and you're still paying for the property taxes, and there's massive opportunity cost, and you could avoid all of it. And if this traditional buyer has a realtor or a broker, if they want you to contribute to the real estate commissions, that's money right out of your pocket. It's completely off of your bottom line. All of this is avoidable, all of it. And you can just sell to a direct buyer. This is why we have hundreds of reviews and hundreds of testimonials we're happy to share with you. So if you have a house in Cortland and you want to sell for a fair price, or at least just see what we could do for you, we're happy to talk. Our phone number is 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website name. We're founded in Columbus, but we work very closely with sellers in Cortland. And when we get on the phone with you, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about when you're looking to sell. What is your timeline? Because some sellers want to move fast and some need flexibility. Whatever the case may be, we could work with you. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your house in Cortland. If it works for you, great, we'll move forward. If not, that's okay too. No crime, no foul. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be any pressure. There's no sales tactics or gimmicks. This is not a call center located in some foreign distant land. I know the text that you get. I get the same text, right? We want to buy your house in Cortland. They've never been to Cortland before. I promise you. Half of them are not even in the United States. It is what it is. I mean, this is just how the real estate marketing works. Right? We're local, work with a local company, we're going to treat you fair, no pressure whatsoever. And if you have a house in Cortland, you want to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, give us a call, 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.